Magandang tanghali po guys. Lunch time na guys. Kumusta ang lahat? Good afternoon everyone. Ito guys. Ulam namin ay hindi ko na ito na-i-vlog. Hindi ko na ito na-i-anokan. Ito guys. Ulam namin ay
the fridge can go here. What else is there? The
taugi.
Maybe over there?
Yeah, over here looks
Gulay
great.
na taugi.
This
Yan.
feels better already.
Na may repolyo, na may tokwa.
Nice.
Yan.
Next, let's find a place for the
Binili.
bathroom.
Yan.
That's very important.
Let's build it.
Salamat Lord sa mga biyayang pinagkaloob mo sa amin Lord. Thank you very much Lord.
Ayan, Lola.
Tapos ito naman, ito'y higado. Yan guys, oh. Higado.
Yep, me.
Higado, yan oh.
Not too
Kung
shabby.
sa Bisaya pa, mga
So,
ginagmay.
Mikey, where should we put our beds?
Ginagmay
Go
na,
anywhere.
na may atay din.
How
May
about
atay
this?
siya.
That's
So
all.
guys, kain
Ito
tayo
na.
guys. Oh, mamaya ka na. Ako muna
That's
kakain.
good.
Guys, kain tayo.
Now we have
Nakagutom
bunk
na
bed.
guys.
Nice. Let's brighten up the space with torches.
Ako guys, mahilig ako sa
Yeah.
Sa blinker.
sa tofu.
Now, even if the surface is covered in toxic sludge, we'll
Yung
survive.
apo ko guys, may feeding sila. Pakita mo ba?
But Mikey,
Kita ko
it's just
nagbibita.
I'm worried about our neighbor.
Ito po yung bigay ng school oh.
We tried
Araw-araw
warning,
sila
but
guys, may
Let's
feeding.
let's try
Feeding
inviting
sila.
them to stay in
Yan.
our shelter again.
You're right,
Feeding
JJ.
yung mga
We
bata.
should go talk to him.
Ayun silang pagkain araw-araw.
Okay.
Pero hindi niya kinain. Dito na niya kakainin. Ayan.
Here he comes.
Sa school nila to guys, araw-araw po binibigyan sila.
We finished building our bunker, and we
Feeding.
were wondering if you'd like to stay with us.
Mamaya pa daw siya kakain kasi
Huh?
busog pa daw siya.
Are you We don't have much time. The world
My
will be covered in
favorite
toxic
tauge.
sludge. You really won't come? Oh.
He turned us down again.
Aw. I guess he
My
doesn't believe
favorite
us. He could be so stubborn.
Tofu.
Yeah.
Tofu yan, tofu guys.
I can't let this go, Mikey.
Akin
What's
yan.
he doing in there?
Busog pa daw siya
Why
guys.
is he eating so many apples?
Hindi ako kain ako.
Kakain ka na. Mamaya ka na. Kainin mo na to oh.
What? He's
Kainin
sitting
mo na
down
itong
and
baon.
playing
Ano?
games?
Kakain na daw siya guys. Kasi nagugutom na daw siya.
Time like this.
He really doesn't believe that the world is about to end.
Aw.
We have
Guys,
30 minutes
ito po.
before the toxic sludge. We can't force him to believe us.
Tikman natin yung
Let's hurry
higado
and
guys.
save ourselves. He made his choice.
It's too bad.
Ang higado, ayan.
Well, Mikey, get used to this.
Sarap
It may
din yan.
be the rest of our lives.
Huh?
Sarap ang higado.
Huh?
Salamat guys sa panood.
That sound.
Huh? What is that? I'm scared, JJ.
Huwag na dyan.
It's happening. The surface is being covered by toxic sludge.
Alin?
To keep us safe? Oh, man.
Ito po.
Hey, guys.
Huh? Oh,
Sabi ng apo ko guys. Hello guys.
it's all over.
Sheesh.
But
Ito
it
na
looks
sa
like
ibabaw
our
mo.
shelter
Sarap.
is holding up. There's no sludge leaking in. Looks like we're in the clear.
Thank goodness. Isang chico ko.
But I'm still worried about our neighbor.
Same.
Should we go out there and check up on him?
That doesn't sound safe, JJ.
Kain ka na lang dyan.
Won't the toxic sludge infect us?
It will be safe
Gamit mo
if
ng
we
sa-
wear hazmat
Ayan
suits.
guys.
Oh.
Yung apo ko, kinain na po yung
If we put these suits on, then
ano
we
niya,
should
oh.
be able to go outside.
feeding niya. Ayan.
Okay.
Ready,
Ano to? Minudo yung feeding nila guys. O
But we
minudo.
can't stay out there for too long.
Salamat guys. Sabihin mo, thank you everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Love you. Love you all.
Love you
Lining
all.
up.
Me too.
We're going outside.
Salamat guys. Salamat sa
I'm terrified. I mean, is it
panood.
even
Thank
safe?
you for watching. God bless you. Bye-bye you.
It's very, very